Hello student, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you most important part of the writing section. The topic is invitation. Invitation is generally it comes in the syllabus of class 11th and class 12th, and it is also helpful for the everyone because everyone in their lifetime arranges some party like birthday party, marriage party, anniversary party, etc. So they have to write the invitation and send the invitation, so it is helpful for everyone. In invitation we have to just here know the what is invitations, kinds of invitations, and the examples of invitation. Here also the replies of the invitation is also here mentions. So now we have to know what is invitation. An invitation is a highly formal request to go or to attend somewhere something. Invitation is often sent out for parties and various kinds of functions, social, religious, national, educational, etc. They are usually printed as an ornamental style for grocery paper. Invitation form an important part of human intercourse or social dealings between individuals or human groups. After knowing about the invitation, we have to here know the kinds of invitation. Here it is written there are two kinds of invitation. One is the formal invitations and the second is the informal invitation. The formal invitations are printed in the cards also and in brief formal letters also. And in formal invitations, it is written as just a letter, the informal letters this way. So here we have to know the formal and the printed invitations are generally printed invitations card through which we invite our guests on some auspicious occasions like weddings, birthday, inauguration of shops and houses, etc. Formal invitations don't include the names of attendees. In such cases, where a VIP is invited to preside over a function, the name of that VIP appears prominently in such formal invitations. Last, as per the guidelines laid down by the CBSE, the length of formal invitation should not exceed 50 words. So dear students, so whenever you write the formal or the informal invitations, you should not increase your words. It must be in the limit of 50 words. So first of all we have to know the examples of the formal invitations. The question is here given. Draft an invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Burma of Residence Road, Purana Bazaar, Dhanbad, which they may use to invite their friends and relatives on the birth anniversary of their son, Neeraj, at their residence at August 20, 2007. So the example is here given. So at the time of writing the invitation, so you have to just write the capital letters here. Mr. and Mrs. Burma request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasions of the birthday celebrations of their son Akash at their residence Ratanji Road, Purana Bazaar, Dhanbad at 3:30 p.m. on August 20, 2007. Here RSVP you have to write at the side of this Mr. and Mrs. Burma. So dear students, by seeing this you can write and any other just and other parties also. Just you have to change here the birthday celebrations, you can write other parties also, shop inaugurations and the any functions also you can write it. The second, that is the annual functions of the schools, how you have to write the invitations letter. So the in the upper part of the on the top we have to write the principal and the staffs of St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, Ranchi, request your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the annual function of the school at 10 a.m. on August 27, 2008. Sri Ajay Kumaram, IAS, will be the chief guest and will give away the prizes to the students. And at the left side, we have to write the RSVP, Principal, St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Ranchi. Third example, that is the wedding invitations. In the wedding invitations, we have to write that Mr. and Mrs. Prakash Sinha request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter Anita with Dr. Sukhdev, and son of Mr. and Mrs. Ramesh Sinha of Hazaribagh, on Monday, the 21st March 2005 at 24 Club Road, Ranchi. Program. In the program, you have to write just in the box Monday 25 March, 21 March 2008, reception of Bharat 8 p.m. and Tuesday 22 March Doli. You can also add the Haldi celebration, Haldi celebrations, and also the Mehndi celebration. You can write all the things. In the side you have to write RSVP, Progressive Industries, Ranchi, here address, and here is the with best compliments from all residents and the friends and families. Here we have given the examples. After that, there is the last examples of the formal invitation is the annual prize distributions functions. The principal and the management of Birsa Munda Senior Secondary School request the pleasure of your company on the annual prize distributions function on Tuesday 15th March 2008 at 11 am. Arjun Munda, Honorable Chief Minister, Jharkhand State, has kindly consented to distribute the prizes. Principal phone that is given here. So dear students, just the example is given. You can arrange any functions or any party. That time you can write just this you take the help of these examples and just change the matter also here, and you can write it the same things. After the formal invitations, we have to just know just the informal invitations, and that informal invitations here just like the letter. How we have to write the informal letters, just this type. We have to write the address of the addressee. In the second we have to write the date, and here the salutations, and here it gives the great pleasure to learn that you are holding your 17th birthday party on the 26th of this month. I thank you for your invitations, and I shall certainly make it a point to attend. It will give me such a nice occasion to meet all of you. Thanking you once again, yours truly, Mohan. So you have to just respond the invitations, and you write the just that. And second one is a reply. How we have to just whenever the invitations comes to us, we have to give the reply. If we accept the invitation, then we just write the accept reply, and if we don't accept or don't just go, then we have to also just write the reply. The first we have to the formal accepting the invitation. Mr. Bipin thanks Mr. and Mrs. Khanna for their kind invitation to their daughter Aditi's marriage on 20th January 2000 at 10 am, and has a great pleasure in accepting it, and confirms his presence at the venue of the scheduled times. Second, that is the accepting invitations in the informal, that is the just like the address of the addressee you have to give, date give, and that is the salutations, and you have to just write, I am pleasantly surprised to receive your invitations of Aditi's wedding. Has she grown so big? I still remember her as the little girl with two ponytails, in a pink frock, eating chocolates and throwing tantrums upon refusal. Well, it is a really big occasion for me. I will be delighted to join in the celebration and bless the newly wed couple, and yes, as requested, the whole family coming. So here is the reply accepting the invitations, that is the formal that is the informal invitation. Now the formal declining the invitation, that is the Mr. Bipin thanks Mr. and Mrs. Khanna for their kind invitation to their daughter's Aditi's marriage on 20th January 2000 at 10 a.m. but regrets his inability to attend due to a prior engagement. He wishes Aditi a happy married life. And the last is the informal, that is the invitation and declining of the invitation. First you have to write the address, second you have to write the date, third you have to write the salutations, and the matter you have to write about the declining, why you are not attending the party. That's why I am pleasantly surprised to receive your invitation for Aditi's wedding. Has he grown so big? I still remember. And the little girl with two ponytails in a pink frock, eating chocolates and throwing tantrums upon refusal. Well, it is really a big occasion for me, and I would have loved to join you the auspicious occasion, but my father is in the hospital. He had a surgery and it needs constant care. I really feel bad not to be able to personally join the occasion and bless the newly wed couple. Please accept my best wishes. I am writing to Aditi separately. Yours, Bipin. So the conclusion of the invitation is that invitation is as important as other topics in the writing section, so we can't skip the invitation. Thank you.